Hello viewers, so today we are going to talk about session 2, which is on tools, equipment and materials used for installation of sprinkler irrigation system. For the unit 2 on installation of sprinkler irrigation system for the job role of micro irrigation technician. Now let's see what are these tools, equipment and materials that are used for installation of sprinkler irrigation system. Proper use of tools and equipment require that the user should be aware of the various components and the procedure for maintenance. So you have to be very careful while selecting these tools and equipment. Using the wrong tool or using the right tool incorrectly can cause work-related musculoskeletal disorders, which are injuries of the muscles, tendons, joints and nerves caused over a period of time. So ergonomic designs can help you to optimize human performance by ensuring that the hand tools support the task needs as well as the human capacity. So always go for equipment and tools which are ergonomically designed. Wherever possible, tools should be replaced by power tools. That is, instead of hand tools, you can use power tools that normally require the exertion of frequent and repetitive force to do the job. Pipe wrench. It is a tool used for turning soft iron pipes and fittings with a round surface for assembly or disassembly. Its adjustable jaws allow it to lock into the frame so that any forward pressure on the handle tends to pull the jaws together. It is available in 14 inches, 18 inches, 24 inches and 36 inches. Spanner set. It is commonly known as combination wrench. A wrench, also called a spanner, is a tool used for providing grip in applying torque to turn objects. Drill machine. A drill machine is used for drilling holes in PVC pipes. Drill bits of different sizes are used for drilling holes in these PVC pipes. Drill guide. Drill guide is a tool which guides a drill for proper boring or making a hole in PVC pipe. Screwdriver set. A screwdriver set is required for turning screws. So driving or removing screws from material, you need a screwdriver. Pliers are a hand tool used to hold objects firmly with tongs. They are also used for bending and compressing a wide range of materials. A hacksaw blade is a fine-toothed saw principally used for cutting metals. It can also be used to cut plastic and wood. A measuring tape is a flexible ruler consisting of a ribbon of cloth, plastic or metal strip with linear measurement markings. It is used for land measurement. Punch and hose punch is a tool which is used to make a hole on polyethylene tubes or laterals to install different types of emitters or drippers. Punch size varies with the size of connector and the standard tools are suggested and provided by the manufacturer. Teflon tape. It is a polytetrafluoroethylene film used for sealing pipe threads. Jute is used to wrap around the threads of a pipe to make them leak-proof. GI threaded joint synthetic compound is an additive compound that prevents rusting of pipe and gives certain grip while installing and making the joint leak-proof. Hot plate is used to connect the PE pipes such as high density polyethylene and medium density polyethylene pipes in the form of butt welded joint. So in this session, you have learnt about the tools, equipment and materials that are used for installation of micro irrigation system. So use these tools and equipment very carefully and be aware about their selection and maintenance. So viewers, keep watching and enjoy learning. Thank you.